Hello. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps required to add your video and presentation materials to your AECT 2020 virtual conference portal. I've seen a lot of people posting online and on social media asking, where do you add these materials at? It's not clear and I can't find it in my portal. So I thought making this video might be useful for people going to the conference this year. So the first thing you want to do is log into your All Academic portal. I'm going to highlight the URL up here. Now this is a separate login page than your AECT login, so make sure you are going to the convention2.allacademic.com URL. Once you have done so, you should be at this page where there's a navigation menu at the top left corner. First thing you need to do is sign in. And make sure that you sign in with your All Academic account information. After you have signed in, the navigation menu in that top left corner will update, and you should now see this link that says Main Menu on it. So if you were to click on that, you'll be taken to a new page that brings up your presenter menu as well. There is a link here that says Upload Presentation Video Links / Materials here, and that's the link that you're going to want to click on. And once you do that, it should bring you to a new page that shows all of your submissions for the AECT conference. And underneath the action column here on the right, there is a link for each individual presentation that says Online Resource Upload. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on a presentation that I know I have not added a video to. Now that will take me to a new page. Now there will be this tiny add button, and next to it, it says video link. What you want to do is hit the add button, and then a new interface will appear where you can paste in your new YouTube link. So I already have that copied to my clipboard. I'll just hit paste. And you can use a YouTube link, a Google Drive, any kind of media space link should work as long as it has your presentation materials. And then what you can do is hit save. And it should take you to this new page confirming that the URL has been added. Now what you can do is hit edit if for some reason that URL were to change, or you could delete it from the entire portal and start over if that were needed for some reason. So I hope that this video has been helpful. I hope to see you all at AECT next week, and have a great conference, everyone.